So one of the things I was actually worried about is, as Australians know, a lot of technology doesn't work that great here with the heat. That gauge is actually right, that's just the probe there. We're hitting on 45 degrees, which is 110, over 110 Fahrenheit. These guys have got to work. Sony stuff, the little form factor of Sony's, they don't work here. It just gets too hot. Today's a particularly hot one. I think it's about 42 or something like that. It's about 45 under here on my background on the shed. I'm going to put this on 4K, 60 frames a second, and I'll let it run for 10, 20, I'll give it 20 minutes, see if it overheats. If it does, it's not that surprising, but we'll just see if it does. So that's on 4K. We'll go 4K, 16:9, 60 frames a second. We'll see if we can actually handle that. We'll sit that there. I'll take a reading off the actual top of the gimbal. 44.3. Yeah, so about 43 degrees. Alright, we'll hit record on that. And we'll see how it goes. Extreme heat test. Okay, we are up to 6 minutes and 50 seconds. You can see that. 6 minutes and 56 seconds. We'll see what temperatures we're sort of at. Come on, camera, focus. Let's readjust that focusing point. Okay, we are at, see temperatures of up to 50s, 53. Probably about hot, as hot as we're seeing. It's actually getting quite hot to the touch. Yeah, it's warm, no doubt about it. We've got to get up to 55 degrees type thing. We've got to go, we'll go for another 10 minutes or so, see how it's going. Okay, so we've been going for 14 minutes. You can see that on the screen bottom left hand corner. And it doesn't seem to get any hotter, but it is quite hot, no doubt about that. We are hitting temperatures of, so we make it 60 degrees. But it seems to be doing okay. It doesn't seem to get any hotter than that. So that, as you can imagine, that's quite warm. But it's not stopping running. It's going. So that's really, really good.